Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 1, leçon N. And we'll discover in this lesson le masculin et le féminin. So let's see how we will modify some words that are masculine into a feminine form here. Because for instance, we're talking about, well, whether professions or occupations. Here, student, assistant, actor, dancer, baker, and then computer scientist. It looks quite nice in English. Informaticien is nice, but still in English. Computer scientist, it's really interesting. Okay, so the rule in French is to add a at the end of a word to put the feminine form. Okay, so for instance here we've got étudiant, and then we've got assistant here. Okay, you just take it back here, étudiant, and then you will add this a at the end without modifying the first part. Okay, so it will of course change a little bit the pronunciation, because you will pronounce it at the masculine form. Il est étudiant. Okay, A-N-T, étudiant. Okay, but then for the feminine form, elle est étudiante. Okay, t. Okay, you don't really insist on the e, but you insist quite much on the t. Elle est étudiante. Il est assistant. So don't pronounce the final t here. But for the feminine form, elle est assistante. Okay, étudiant, étudiante, assistant, assistante. All right. Then we've got now the tricky ones. Il est acteur. Okay, so it's one of the irregular ones. E-U-R here, acteur, and it will become ris. So E-U-R is becoming ris. Elle est actrice. So acteur is becoming actrice. Okay, and then we've got a second group with this E-U-R combination. Il est danseur. E-U-R is becoming euse. Danseuse. Okay, danseur masculine, danseuse feminine form. Il est danseur, elle est danseuse. Okay, then we've got this group like boulanger, boulanger, er. So if you add this final e at the end, then you will have to put this accent here, accent grave. Remember, when you've got this e plus this accent grave, you pronounce it like eh, really open eh sound. Okay, so boulanger, boulanger, and then feminine form, boulangère, boulangère. Same thing, don't insist too much on the final e, boulangère. Okay, il est boulanger, elle est boulangère. All right, and the last group is IEN, informaticien, yin. So that's the way to pronounce this IEN, yin. Okay, informaticien. All right, and then if you look carefully, then here, okay, you will have to double the n and then add this final e. Okay, and you get the sound informaticienne, sienne. Remember, e and then double n, or then it could be double l or double consonant here. You open your e, so it's e, informaticienne. Okay, so I tend to insist a little bit. Okay, don't worry, I will pronounce it a bit more normally after. Il est informaticien, elle est informaticienne. Okay, so let's see them one more time. Il est étudiant, elle est étudiante. Il est assistant. Elle est assistante. Il est acteur. Elle est actrice. Il est danseur. Elle est danseuse. Il est boulanger. Elle est boulangère. Il est informaticien. Elle est informaticienne. Okay, that's it. So, this is Unit 1, and if my memory is correct, it should be the last lesson of the Unit 1. Then you will have to jump to Unit 2, okay? And then you will be able to find all the lessons there, youtube.com/imagier, or then remember the main website, imagier.net. You can find, well, quite many material, PDF files, applications, pictures, flashcards, whatever you want. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.